Yes, ma'am.
Hi, my name is Narelle. I'm a student at the City University of New York. I wanted to just ask you if you have a few quick tips or advice for students from non-target that are trying to break into the industry and kind of stand out of the crowd.
Yeah, you want to get into the industry? Yeah. Okay.
Good idea, bad idea?
No, I don't think it's a bad idea, but I think things are going to be difficult. It's just me saying it. I think it's going to be tough over the next few years. I think the public. I'm trying not to be pessimistic for next week or next year, but the public, I think, is going to have a great problem in what they're doing. You got these bubbles that are forming, that have formed, these bonds that you have, high yield bonds, junk bonds. To me, if there's a problem, they are going to, go over a cliff. And the government, rightly so, is saying, hey, we're not going to play with you with this too big to fail stuff. So too big to fail with the Volcker rule, which is good. They should have that. So there's nobody to catch this. There's nobody to catch those falling knives. So I think the public's going to become extremely disillusioned in the next few years. But I'm not going to tell you don't go into the business. I mean, if you can get into one of these top investment banking firms, I mean, they get paid for giving opinions. They get paid for raising money. I don't know why they get paid, but they get paid, And we try not to pay them too much, but, so it's a great business if you can do it. The risk reward's greatly in your favor. Hey, look, if you can run a hedge fund, it's great risk reward. You take no risk. So maybe you take risk if you invest some of your money. But so you really, in a way, we were talking about this inequality of income. Now, maybe I'm serving my own purposes, but if you want to make a lot of money, take risks. That's what a capitalistic system is about. But don't get paid all this money for what you're doing is managing money. And frankly, I'd like you to show me somebody that really knows how to pick stocks. I never met anybody that can. I think over years, you go find companies, you nurture them, you like them, and you almost hope they go down because the Graham and Dodd model shows you this is selling cheap. But today, and then ironically, my son came into the business the last 10 years. He worked pretty hard. And he introduced me to Apple, which I think is the greatest company in the world. But that's a Graham and Dodd company in a very strange way, because you're buying Apple at 8 times earnings or 9 times earnings. So if you find those and nurture them and wait and have patience, you should make money. But today you get these guys making millions and millions of bucks for running money. And I hate to say it because they're all my friends, but you listen to them. I don't think they know what the hell they're talking about. I mean.